Hi, I'm Julie Yak, and I am here to talk with you about my Zero to Model-Driven Apps course at 365 Dev Training. In this course, we take you through the basics of a model-driven app, but more importantly, we give you the hands-on experience in our labs. You've got several labs that take you through building an application from the data model to the screens, as well as adding automation. Our story is going to be with Happy Tails Doggy Daycare, and you'll be helping them build out an application for their front office staff. Listen along now as I talk to you in more detail about what we have in these hands-on labs. So now it's time to take a quick minute and talk a little bit about the labs that we'll be creating here in our course. So Happy Tails needs our help. We are building a model-driven app for their front office staff. These are the folks that schedule the appointments. These are the folks that follow up with customers, maybe give tours. And so we're making a model-driven app for them that will track pets and information about the pets, so names, breed, vaccine status, and so on. We'll be tracking visits, scheduled visits, status of visits, other details about those visits, and we'll be tracking households, and those households will contain contacts as well as related contacts. We have 5 different labs. The first one is getting your environment, then we'll create tables, we'll configure some forms and views for those tables, we'll add automation into the app, and then we'll automate with a Cloudflow. So our first lab really is as simple as getting your working environment. You need a non-production environment so that you can do your work in a safe place and have full access to all of the different options available to you. The second lab, you're going to create a new solution with a publisher. You'll be adding existing tables to your solution, creating new tables, relationships, and a security role. And you'll be beginning to build out parts of your app. This lab is a little bit long and not ridiculously rewarding at the end, but trust me, the next one makes it fun and begins to put it all together for you. And then in lab 3, you're going to create several forms, some views, charts, and then add icons to these tables. And then you'll be creating the Happy Tails Office model-driven application. Lab 4, you're going to create a new pet onboarding business process flow so that you've got those steps for the office staff to take when they're bringing on a new pup to join the Happy Tails family. And then you'll be building and testing business rules for the pet visits. You'll be testing that business process flow as well. And in this lab 5, you'll be creating a Cloudflow that will send automation, a notification to the primary contact of a household for pets that have vaccinations soon. You'll also be importing a flow that will bring in some sample data for you for dog breeds to your environment. And you will have a bonus exercise to add a new quick view form for pets that will be included on that main visit form. Now it's time to head off and go build some stuff.